she's done. She's done. Wow. Okay, y'all, I'm back. It has actually been about 45 minutes to an hour that I have been off camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the band off. I didn't even need it, but I was like, let's just go ahead and put it on just because. Okay. Yes, the edges are looking good. I did not put any type of curl in this hair. All I'm doing is finger combing it, and you see the bounce back. Finger combing it, and you see the bounce back. This is how the unit looks. I can be completely done, walk out the door looking just like this, and I guarantee you, people are going to stop me and say, where'd you get your hair done? Your hair is beautiful. I like your hair. Okay? But I am gonna go ahead and just cut a couple of layers in the front. Not anything major. I just want to, as you see from the top of the hair, it's the full 24 inches, even at the top. So I'm just gonna cut a little bit of layers in it, okay? But this is gorgeous. It's gorgeous just like this, okay? Okay, just by cutting layers in it, I don't know if y'all can tell, but it has helped it. It didn't need it, but it helped it. It looks more fuller right here at the top. Yeah. Oh yeah, this looks good. This looks good. Let me just do the little flyaways up here. I'm gonna put the smallest little bit of oil in my hand just to put it right at the top. And that's it, y'all. She's done. She's done. Wow. All of the details of this unit will be down below. Links, coupon code, everything you need down below. Check them out. Huge shout out to Nadula for sponsoring today's video. You guys check them out. Get you guys this pre-everything unit. If they want, would you cry or would you try to get
Nadula.